Hello and welcome to this video. Today's assignment or exercise is going to be called combine two tables, and it's a database question for basically beginners, meaning like an easier level. So the question says that we're going to have two tables. One is called person that has three columns: person ID, an integer, last name, varchar, which is a string, and first name also a string. And person ID is the primary key of this table. And another table called address, so with 4 columns, as you can see. Address ID is the primary key of address. Person ID is a foreign key pointing to this table or this person ID. City and state, they are 2 strings in the table. And the goal is basically to return the first name, last name, city, and city of each person in the person table if the address of person ID is not present in the address table. Report null instead. So basically what they want is, it's very simple. We need to join these two tables and return first name, last name, city, and state. So basically what we need to do is a join on person ID. And the idea is sometimes we're not going to find lines here for these persons. And in order to do this, basically we just have to do a left join between these two tables. So left meaning that we're going to consider this is the left side, this is the right side, and we're going to do a left join. So how can we do this? So it's fairly simple. I'm going to do a select. Here we're going to basically say what are the columns that we need to select. And so here, just for a moment, I'm going to leave it empty, columns. And here we select from what kind of tables we select. So we select from person. Yes, it's person. And I'm gonna name it P. And we're going to do a left join on left join address. I'm going to name address A. And what are we going to like join the two tables? We're going to join them on person ID. So I'm going to do A person ID equals P person ID. So now basically we joined the two tables. All we need to do is just select the columns that we are concerned by. So first we're going to do first name. I think they said first name. Yes. First name, last name, city, and state. So first name, P dot last name, last name, and from A, from address, we're going to take city, and last is an A dot state. Let's do a test. And there you go. It's fairly simple. No complications at all. So in this example, we have these persons, 2 lines, and these 2 addresses. And the output is going to be like this. And this is exactly what we expect. Yeah, so let's submit the question. There you go. So I hope that the explanation was easy enough to understand. If you have any questions, put them down below. And if you like this content, give it a thumbs up and like the video, or also consider subscribing. So, and I will see you in the next one. Yeah, bye-bye.